Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the G.Skill Ripjaws S5 series DDR5 RAM, specifically the 64GB kit with a speed of 5,600 metric tons S. This kit is designed for the latest Intel platforms, including the 600, 700, and 800 series chipsets, making it a great match for 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Intel Core processors, as well as the new Intel Core Ultra 200 series CPUs. First impressions are important, and the matte black finish of these UDA modules gives them a sleek, understated look that should fit well in most builds. It's a dual-channel kit, comprising two 32GB modules, which is ideal for maximizing performance on compatible motherboards. Now let's talk specs. This memory runs at DDR5-5600 with timings of 46-45-45-89 at 1.10V. Out of the box, without any tweaking, the memory will run at its SPD speed, ensuring compatibility and stability. However, the real potential lies in its XMP 3.0 support. By enabling the XMP profile in your BIOS, you can unleash the rated overclock speed of 5,600 metric tons S. Of course, achieving that rated speed depends on a few factors. The quality of your motherboard and the capabilities of your CPU's memory controller play a significant role. G.Skill has designed these modules to be high performance, but it's crucial to ensure your system can handle the overclock. It's important to note that this is non-ECC memory, which is standard for most consumer-grade RAM. It's designed for high-performance tasks like gaming and content creation, where speed and responsiveness are key. In terms of real-world performance, the Ripjaws S5 series shines. The increased bandwidth and speed of DDR5 memory translate to faster load times, smoother multitasking, and improved overall system responsiveness. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running demanding applications, this memory kit can provide a noticeable boost in performance. The G.Skill Ripjaws S5 64GB DDR5-5600 kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their Intel-based system. It offers a good balance of performance, capacity, and compatibility. Just remember to check your motherboard and CPU specifications to ensure they can support the rated XMP speed for optimal results.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.